Good morning, guys!
Oh yeah!
Say good morning! Good morning! Itong mga kasama ko na nanonood. Kagigising lang namin. Wala pa kaming hilamos. Wala pa si Baba today. Darating si Baba. We are waiting.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart.
Hi guys! Happy Valentine's!
Baba got Andy a present.
Baba came late today and he bring... What is this, Yazzie?
Flower. And
Wow.
there's a card.
Can you read what is writing in the card?
What is your card? Oh.
Oh, card.
Oh.
It's writing here, Valentine's Day is all about love. So today is a great time to tell you I love you. Hope the day is gorgeous as you. Beautiful flower.
Present.
And there is a present on the flower. We'll see what
You
is
want
this.
to open it?
You want to open it? See? Baba, what is this present?
Yes.
Oh,
What happened?
my truck outside.
Give us another one. Get one more.
So,
Wait, I will bring for you.
Glittery
yeah.
flowers.
Vaishali. What is that, Vaishali?
Papa, the flowers are wet.
A present for who, Vaishali?
So who will open the present?
I said that Baba, the flowers are wet.
Yeah.
Who will open the present?
It's
Okay.
it's
Pull
a
this
live.
one.
It's not a fake one. It's normal flower.
Yay.
Oh, what they're opening. Look what they opening.
Present.
What is this Baba present?
Oh,
Wow.
it's gone. I think the flowers will remove
Dikit na dikit. Mukhang ayaw magpa-open.
Allah Akbar.
Really so tight.
Want to swim? Oh. Can I kiss it?
Oh, it's really not.
Oh.
Oh, what is
Wait, there's more paper on here.
Look what Baba give. Oh my God. Baba is big time, huh? Wow.
What's
Baba
that?
is so big time. What did he buy for me? Oh my God. I cannot imagine this that he buy.
Go down. Go down, is expensive.
Baba bought for me this one. Thank you.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now
Wow. This is...
Oh,
You know what is this, Yamor? Wow.
What's that?
that's
What's that?
Oh my goodness.
Are you fighting with me, man? Why are you fighting with me, man? Come on!
Oh, so beautiful. This is charger.
Wow!
And this is the...
Ouch! Damn, don't kick me, man!
Oh my God. So pretty.
Ouchie!
That's why you take too long, Baba. You come 1 o'clock. You come late home.
for two presents because of the flower and the present.
Too
Put
much.
it down to this part.
Don't beat me too much.
How to do that? So nice.
I open the other part.
Wow. Oh, so beautiful, Baba. I like the color.
This is the latest one, 7.
Series 7?
Mm.
Mashallah. Same like Baba watch. Apple also, we are twin.
Now
Look.
you and Baba have mine.
Yeah, matching watch. But I don't know how to set up this one. I don't know how to set up this. Baba can do it maybe. Thank you, Baba too. I'm feeling something is happening because today is Valentine's. Why is taking too long? Papa never failed to give gift in February in Valentine's Day. Last Valentine she gave again. You remember? He make us surprise last Valentine. We bought big chocolate.
Oh, no. Yeah, with the hot chocolate.
Yeah, you don't remember? It's yummy chocolate.
Go, Pasha.
Abla also. I will put you inside the box and I'll send you cargo to Philippines, okay? You go first na. We'll see you in Philippines, okay? Why?
You cannot play inside for long hours right now.
Hi everyone! Happy Valentine's! Today is February 14, 2022 and Happy Valentine's everyone! Can you say Happy Valentine's? Si Yasi kumakain siya ng cracker, Turkish cracker. Ano to? Chubuk. Chubuk, ano to? Chubuk cracker. Gusto nyo guys? Masarap siya. Medyo salty. So, ayun guys, late dumating si Mr. ngayon. Alam nyo naman, pag may mga okasyon guys, hindi na ako magtataka. Kasi, palagi yan. Wala namang absent yan na walang binibigay tuwing Valentine's yan guys. Hindi siya nakakalimot kung ano-ano yung mga pakulo niya, mga pa-surprise niya. Hindi na ako nagtaka na late siyang umuwi. Dapat, ang oras ng uwi niya guys, pagkagaling ng trabaho ay, bakit ang usok? Sobrang usok. Hala, anong nangyayari? Ang usok guys, oh, nakikita nyo? Nakikita nyo ba sa labas? Ano nangyayari? Ay, nagpapausok pala sila. Akala ko may sunog. Kasi sabi ko, baka may usok dun sa labas. Kasi nakatingin ako sa balcony. Sabi ko, bakit mausok? Ano pala? Nagpapausok sila dyan sa baba kasi nga maraming mga lumilipad na mga insekto. Kahit dito sa bahay guys, pumapasok siya. So, nagpapausok sila sa baba. Nung isang araw pa yan nililibot nila talaga dito banda. Para siguro mawala yung mga insektong maliliit. So, ayun nga guys. So, late dumating si Mister. Tapos, ayan, may pa-flower siya. At ang hindi ko ini-expect guys, yung bigay niya sa akin na na regalo. Ito. Masaya lang ako kasi nga, kahit na mag-asawa na kami, matagal na kami mag-asawa ng asawa ko, ay hindi pa rin siya nakakalimot talaga magbigay tuwing Valentine's, ganyan. Hindi siya nakakalimot. Every time yan. Hindi pa ako nag-vlog noon guys, ganyan na talaga siya pag may okasyon, hindi niya nakakalimutan. Ako lang yung walang regalo sa kanya palagi. Pero siya talaga yung nagbibigay. Nung short kwento ko lang, nung nanliligaw yan siya sa akin, hindi yan siya maregalo. Hindi siya masyadong nagbibigay. Siguro magbibigay siya ng flowers, ganyan. Pero hindi siya nagbibigay ng mga regalo na yung mga mamahalin. Hindi siya nagbibigay. Pero ngayong mag-asawa kami, baliktad guys. Kasi parang mas nililigawan niya ako diba? Charang haba ng hair ng lola nyo. Ngayong mag-asawa kami, saka siya nagbibigay talaga ng mga bonggang mga bagay-bagay. So, hindi naman ako nagyayabang or it's not my intention to brag guys. Pero alam mo yung na-appreciate ko lang yung ginagawa niya na kahit na mag-asawa na kayo, napapasaya ka pa rin niya. I know this is just a material thing, pero everyday naman is Valentine's sa amin at char. Hindi, kasi syempre natutuwa lang naman ako, 'di ba? Kahit papaano meron pa ring mga patweetang mga sweet, yung mga ganyan-ganyan ba, di ba? Ayun lang guys, pasensya na kayo kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko. So, wala siya ngayon, wala si Mister, umalis ulit siya, bumaba siya kasi yung visa pala ni Yamor ay magi-expired na sa 18, after 4 days magi-expire na yung visa ni Yamor. Yun nga, 'di ba? Yung last video ko ay sinabi ko sa inyo, confirm na yung uwi namin sa Pilipinas. Yes, guys, confirm. Uuwi na kami next month sa Pilipinas finally. Pero kailangan naming i-renew yung visa ni Yamor. Kaya lumabas si Mister para i-renew niya yung visa. Yung visa renewal, guys, mabilis lang naman lumabas. In 3 days, ayan, meron na. Or 1 week, ganyan, lalabas na agad yung visa. Ang inaantay namin ngayon, yung passport ni Yamor tsaka ni Yasi kasi nung last month, nag-apply kami ng passport
Philippine passport ni Yamor tsaka ni Yasi. 1 month na ngayon, kahapon, 1 month na, exactly 1 month na kahapon, kaso lang weekend kahapon. So, inaabangan ko maybe this week lalabas yung passport nila. So, kailangan din namin kunin. Pero anyway guys, kahit naman hindi namin matanggap yung passport ni Yamor tsaka ni Yasi, makaka-travel pa rin sila sa Pilipinas. Kasi meron naman silang, tawag dito, Turkish passport. Accepted naman yun kasi dual citizen naman na sila at naka-register na sila sa Philippine Consulate. So, ayun lang yung update namin today guys. So, natuwa lang ako sa pa-surprise ni Mr. Sana kayong lahat ay masaya sa Valentine's at healthy always. Ayan, sana wag niyong pababayaan yung sarili nyo at mag-iingat kayo palagi. Maraming salamat guys sa pag-watch nyo sa video namin. Sana patuloy nyo pong suportahan yung mga videos namin. Sana nandyan kayo palagi para manood at suportahan kami always. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong panonood. And once again, Happy Valentine's sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. God bless.